putts. I think really we need to just change our setup, because a lot of what goes on in our setup is going to dictate, you know, how we're actually swinging the putter. So we set up in a certain way because it's such a finite thing when we're on the putting green. Is, you know, the fairways are wide, the greens are big. You don't have to hit perfect shots, but we got to be a little more precise. So some of the stuff that I'm seeing in your setup, I think is probably the reasoning on some of the putting problems we've been having. So if you want to just stand right back behind me, I'll kind of show you what we're going to work on here. So with our original setup, you're a little too far away from the golf ball, and I think that's causing our putters not real flush on the ground. We're getting the toe in the air a little bit. And then you've mentioned that on some of the shorter putts maybe we've been having directional issues. I think that we get too far away from the ball. That's going to cause us to get the putter going on the inside. And then since you have a face balance putter, you kind of mentioned you like to try to go kind of straight back, straight through, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that path, we get too far away from the ball. Our path isn't matching our club face, right? So if we want our club face square, limited face rotation, we want to try to straight back, straight through. So something's going to help us is we want that putter really, really flush. And then we want to get our eyes right on top of the ball versus so far inside. And so now we're just in a good position to where we can make the stroke we're intending to make. And I think we'll be a lot more consistent with our path. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I got you.
You got any questions on kind of that setup?
I think I understand what you're saying.
Okay. And I'll take a picture of you too and show you kind of what it looks like before, what it looks like after, and also have some putting aids and stuff that we can use, okay?
Yeah.
So again, you know, this might be a little exaggerated, you know, from what you were doing, but just too far back, toe in the air, that's going to cause the putter to kind of go inside. And then we've got to manipulate the face to square the face up to get the ball in line. If we overdo that, we might be pulling putts, hitting putts left. If we don't do that, you know, it's going to push them to the right. So I think just something that simple, you know, is probably one of the biggest roots of our putting problems, especially on the short ones, okay?
Yeah.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and set up here.